Thank you for joining me at 2cutebeads.com. Today I'm going to show you how we created the light rose Lariat necklace. Now, this is a light rose, but it can be done in any color or with any pendant piece that you have. And your kit contains all the ingredients you need to create a 26-inch Lariat. So we start by just unraveling our wire. And the first thing we need to do is get our button ready. So here's your button. We load our spring in. And we take our back piece and we have to line it up and push it in so that it lines up. Take both ends of our leather and push it through. And you just pinch it together, and then we're going to pull it up a little bit. Now we're going to put our ends on. And we used to glue the ends on, but I found it a little bit easier way without having to use the glue. You can still glue them if you want. It works both ways. But for this kit, what I did was I showed you how we crimp them on. So with your crimper second hole first, right at the end, making sure that you have your leather in there. Crimp. And with my first hole, I'm going to fold it over. Then I'm going to take a crimp cover. I'm going to slide my leather through. Get my crimp cover up right at the end to where I crimped and the silver and the leather meet. And I'm going to gently push this together. To hide the crimp. So therefore it hides where I crimped it. We'll do the other side now. Show you one more time. Slide your leather in. Second hole first, right at the end. Fold this together. Nice and tight. It's on there really good. Make sure I have this right where I need it. Gently, not forcibly, gently squeeze it together. Now I have both my ends on. This slides up and down. Now I just have to hook on my 22mm pear pendant. And this has the silver top on it, so I want to make sure it's facing the same way as the crystal is. So I'm going to put it on. facing towards me. These are click and close jump rings, so close it until I hear it click. That way I know it's on there good and secure. And there we have it. So I like to wear mine offset, so I just move my button down. If you want a shorter lariat, I mean, this one I did is going to be 28 inches long, so it's going to almost hit me at my waist. So that's the important thing too at the beginning. Before you go ahead and attach these, I would measure and see how long I want it and make sure it's going to fit over my head by moving my slider button up and down. Thank you for joining us at 2cutebeads.com. Hope to see you soon.